What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I earned $97.07 with one simple click. Now I did this on Clickbank. I'm going to show you exactly all the details here so you can get started to make money online with affiliate marketing, make money on Clickbank in 2020 and beyond. We have a lot of things to cover in here, so make sure you stick around and watch the whole video here. But first, if you're new around, make sure also to subscribe to my YouTube channel here, because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so I'm going to show you real proof here. As I said, I'm going to show you all the details so you can get started to do the exact same thing here. So with that being said, we have a lot of things to cover here, a lot of tips and tricks. Stick around, watch the whole video. It is important, because if you miss out on something here, you might get it wrong and then you say that it didn't work for you. Because it works, I've shown it in the past and I'm going to show you here today again here. Let's get started. Alright, so first let's have a look at the date and time here. Let me do a little refresh here. It's 6:56 p.m. here and it is Sunday, January 19th. And I'm going to log into one of my Clickbank accounts here. I'm going to blur out something for security reasons here. So, but what I'm going to do is let me do a refresh here also. Boom, there we go. So that we have a refresh, and you can see here on Sunday, January 19th, I have $97.07 here. All right, and what I had a closer look at was that I don't remember that I had any offer actually that I promoted with this amount, but what happened was that this person who purchased this offer actually purchased the upsells also. So I had a look here and I blur out here some things again, but you can see that he purchased the whole package which was available for upsells here. So this is really super nice. You never know what they are going to purchase and when they are going to purchase. Now let's see the one click here also. So I have logged in here to one of my autoresponders, and you can see here that I sent this to a small list. I wanted to test out this new traffic and offer actually, and what I did here is I sent this to a small list. I have 192 subscribers here. I have 7 opens and 1 person that clicked this. I laugh because this is so amazing. Okay, with only 1 person that has clicked this. I don't know what's going to happen later on. I might get some more sales. I might not get anything else here today. But pay attention here. This is actually from a follow-up sequence. I'm going to explain everything what this is. This is a follow-up sequence, so it is actually over 2 weeks now since this person opted into my list here, and he went through, of course, my follow-up sequence before he actually purchased anything from my emails that I sent. So that is why it's so important also to build a follow-up sequence, and we're going to have a look at those details as well. So if we get started here from the beginning, let's see here. We need these 4 things here. We need traffic, we need an opt-in, a squeeze page. I'm going to show you everything here. Bear with me. We need an offer, of course, and we need the follow-up sequence. So this is the whole process. It is a 3 simple step formula actually. It works. We don't need to complicate things here. This has been working. It still works. It is proof right here and today here. So we need an opt-in and a squeeze page. This is one of my pages. Actually, when I say that I always have my #1 recommendation, you can see here that I have something that I give for free. I have a free video here on how to start earning $200 to $500 per day. And you can see what you need to do is opt in here, of course, and then you have opted into my list. Now the next thing that you're going to see an offer. Now not everyone purchases the first time, so that is why it's so important to actually have the follow-up sequence here. So if I go here, there you go. So they come here, they opt in, okay, to the opt-in page, and then they will see the offer. But it doesn't mean that they purchase. Some people might purchase straight away, but if they don't, we have the follow-up sequence. So let me just show you here. Let's see. There we have another squeeze page. I wanted to show you this also. This is when someone arrives to my blog here, my web page, which is myimtips.com, and this is an exit page. So in this case here, I have actually a free report. I don't have a video. You can do this really simple. You can actually take a PLR product, a PLR report, rewrite it a little bit, make it a bit unique. I shared this in the past, and give that away for free. So that is how you can do this. Okay, so it doesn't have to be a video at all. So don't limit yourself there. And now that we have our opt-in page, of course we need to find an offer. So if I go to Clickbank here, because that is what we are talking about, we go to the marketplace, and it totally depends on your niche here, but I'm going to stick with of course e-business and e-marketing. All right. And you can see here, if I just click here, e-business and e-marketing, it is sorted by popularity. We can sort with average per sale here, initial sale, and gravity is Clickbank's own metrics. It is pretty similar actually to the popularity here. You can see it's almost identical to the offers. The only difference is that the 12-minute affiliate system, which is a hot offer, and this is something I would recommend also to get started with. Now CB University has been around. You can see it is tempting because we can earn much more, but it might be harder to promote this offer. This is fresh, hasn't been seen around so much, so that is why I would prefer actually to get started with this. And they do have also their affiliate page. So if I open this up in a new tab here, I'm going to show you a little bit. And they do explain everything here. You can see here that you can actually earn up to $398.50 per sale. Okay, so that means that if someone wants through the whole all the upsells here, they are going to purchase all this, and you are going to get $398.50. Now what I like about this offer here, they do have tons of affiliate promos here. So we have banners, for example, but look at this. This is what is the most interesting thing. They do have email swipes ready for you, so you don't have to prepare them and take that time to write email swipes. And they do have actually 16 swipes there. All right, pretty interesting. So there you have a great start. Okay, you can focus on promoting only this offer alone. Now, what I wanted to mention here is actually on my particular this sale I got here, I have an rotator. I do have it. You can have it with ClickMagick, which is a tracking system. And what is a rotator? Now, this is a rotator. Basically, we have one offer here, we have two offers here, we have three offers. I have set up 5, 6 offers here, okay? I send swipes, but they are more generic swipes here. And I do this for a simple reason, because I want to test and see what converts here actually. So how does a rotator work? Well, it works like this, that it recognizes your IP address. So the first time you go and click, you will see offer number 1. The next day when I send you another swipe here, you will see offer number 2. And the third day you will see offer number 3. And I can set how many offers I want. I usually set up 5 or 6 offers, and then it will go to the top again and going through this list. Okay, so this is a great opportunity if you want to test what kind of offers will convert for you, because all the offers doesn't convert on the same people and so on. It totally depends on the traffic. So it's a great way to do it like this, okay? And that is exactly what I did here. And you see that it took me over 2 weeks actually to do a follow-up sequence. Now, you need of course an autoresponder. We have Aweber. This is my number one recommendation to get started with. I don't actually want to recommend you anything else. I have tested all the autoresponders, GetResponse and everyone, but I know that this has the best deliverability. Aweber is the best, most newbie friendly to get started with. So trust me on this one, 110%. Get started with Aweber. And you need to set up, of course, your follow-up sequence here. You can see here I do have, I think, 17 is actually here for this list here, my IM tips, okay? So set this up and you don't have to think more about this, okay? What you need to do now, the last thing is, of course, get some traffic. And this was actually email traffic, so I'm going to show you here on how you can find this kind of email traffic. What you need to do is go to udemy.com. Udemy.com. We're talking about solo ads. I know that some people say that they don't convert, but today is actually real proof that it works. Once again, it works, okay? So you need to go to Udemy, and there is a few ways actually that you can find sellers here on regarding purchasing traffic, okay? You can go here to find sellers. You can go, let's see here, for example, you can sort it out by price, maximum price. So let's say that we want to stick with 60 cents. This is a good indicator. We want to go for at least 30% sales here, because if they do have sales, they have buyers in the list there. So that is really nice. And then you want to have a look and see at the details here. Look at this, for example, percentage of ratings where buyers reported sales. Now, Wilfred is an old friend here, actually. I've seen him. I've been working with him in the past also. But he recently got started here on Udemy to sell clicks. Okay, we have Jorge, also a good old friend here. They are trusted vendors, all these guys here. Okay, but what you're going to do here is you can have a look also. Of course, you go to the forum section and look at this, December 2019, the winners. This is another way that you can actually sort and have a look at, see who got sales, top sellers here, for example, top affiliates. We're not interested in that, but most got sale ratings. This is kind of interesting also to have a look at. Now, or you can also go, for example, here on solo deals. So you can go here and let's see if it opens it up. Okay, so let's see here. Now this is actually Tim. He's a good friend of mine. I trust him 110%, and I bought traffic from him actually that converted this offer. So you can see here, if I open it up here, there you go. Now, if you look at Tim's profile here, you can see that he has tons of sales, okay? He has 41% of ratings where buyers reported sales, and these two metrics here are really good indicators that this is a sure bet, okay? Tim is a sure bet in my opinion, all right? So what I did is I purchased actually a solo here from him, and I sent traffic to this process here, and that is exactly what happened. So it took, as I said, once again, 2 weeks to get a conversion for this, okay? 2 weeks. So you need to be patient, but once you have this set up, you don't have to deal with anything at all. All you have to do is buy traffic. And a good tip is don't buy 100 visitors, okay? I've been solo ad vendor. I don't sell to the public yet, but I'm still involved in solo ad traffic. So I know what I'm talking about. if you come in here, you want to be rich with 100 visitors, I'm really sorry to disappoint you, you are not going to be, okay? You need to purchase at least 200-300 clicks here so you can be sure that your offer converts or not. So it might sound pricey in the beginning, but you will have your money back in the long run, because you are going to do this process. As I said, you're going to build the follow-up sequence, so it means that you can promote again and again and again and again other offers. As long as they are subscribed into your list there, you can make money with this list again. That is why everyone is talking about also the money is in the list there. So there you have it, more or less. I don't think I have forgotten anything actually. You can get started with this super easy. For example, if you don't have your own blog or something like that, there is an option. You can go with ClickFunnels. This is super easy to set up on ClickFunnels there with your own page. You just grab a code from Aweber, you insert it here, and there is tons of instructions and tutorials inside there. It would take too much time here to cover everything in details. But this is a very nice way to actually get started to make money on Clickbank. Now, of course, Clickbank has tons of other offers also that you can promote here, okay? It doesn't have to be, but I just took this because this is what works for me here. So I think that it's good to follow along with this strategy. And if you're going to buy traffic from solo ad vendors, you should definitely go for this kind of offers here. They are going to convert, all right? Here is some survey jobs and so on there. CB University, super affiliate system has been converting very well in the past, but it is a high ticket. So this would be recommended to promote later on in the follow-up sequence actually. Alright, so there you have it on how you can get started to make money on Clickbank. I hope that this inspired you and you got some value here. If you did, of course, I appreciate also if you smash that like button below. Now, I do have my #1 recommendation also that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at, because it covers all that I shared in today's video here, but more in details also. So make sure you check that out. Definitely a highly recommended that you do that, okay? This is the exact same strategy I share inside there. Don't forget to subscribe also to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell there also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation at the end screen here right now. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.